Welcome back guys, hope you're going to enjoy today's video. The pursuit ensued as law enforcement attempt to halt a vehicle owned by an individual under suspicion of carrying illegal items within it. And, as you're probably guessing now, he didn't stop.
I'm directly behind the suspect vehicle this time, in traffic. They're throwing stuff out the window. 19.
Police officer has been granted the authority to execute a pit maneuver, and the other vehicles steps aside, allowing him to proceed. One might question why this particular officer was chosen for the task instead of another. My speculation is that not all officers undergo the necessary training to perform a pit maneuver.
5 mile an hour in the left lane. 85 mile an hour in the left lane. About the 20 northbound. The right lane is pretty busy. Tractor trailers. .84 miles an hour, still northbound. Right lane, still busy. Tractor trailers. I'm in the left lane, 90 miles an hour. Hit. I think they're still going to try to go. They'll try to get around and block them.
And from watching this, I can say that this trooper is very well trained to perform something like this. And at this very point, the state trooper just realized that the children were also in the vehicle. I really need to ask you this. Can you guess how many police vehicles were involved in this chase? Please comment down below. Link to the original will be in the description box. You can go and check it out when you finish watching another police chase. Let's roll. The chase is about to begin when a police officer caught the driver of the red Dodge Ram speeding. And as you can see, the police officer proceeded to the chase. You can already tell from the beginning of this video that this one is going to be really interesting. So stay tuned and try to watch it all the way to the end. Enjoy guys! This very moment, the driver decided to stop the vehicle, and he waited for the moment when police officer will leave police car and come close to him. In that very moment, he floored his Dodge, and from this point, this chase gets even bigger.
City 1037.
It is really important to say that watching these videos can teach anybody some lessons, and in the end, you will see how bad the outcome can be if you are willing to do something like this. And here guys, in this situation we have another police chase, and in a thrilling turn of the events, the recently stolen van was swiftly located by police officers, mere moments after the report. And as you will see guys, this one is not going to end very well. Thanks for joining us on the Police Chase Chronicles. We really appreciate your support and enthusiasm. We really hope that you learned something from today and that you enjoyed this episode very highly. Really want to thanks to the police pursuits, and you can go and check out the full videos. The links are in the description box. Thanks for watching again, and until the next episode, go and check out this one. See ya.